Every day, transportation and logistics companies like you move their products to a subscription-based model and give their customers the choice to be billed in a way that suits them best. By investing in the right insights, solutions, and support, you can gain a significant advantage over your competition. At Binary Stream, we customize our Microsoft Dynamics solutions specifically for transportation and logistics. You can capture more revenue streams and more subscription data than your competitors. Our out-of-the-box implementation gets you up and running today. Get real-time actionable insights into your performance and the ability to flexibly map and recognize your revenue to suit your unique business model. You have more accurate forecasts and can anticipate and adjust any issues before they come up. By connecting directly to your Dynamics 365 ERP, our suite of solutions covers complex and recurring billing contracts and optimizes your lease management for properties, plants, and equipment. We give you the power to virtualize your corporate structure and enable easier intercompany transactions and cross-entity reporting. Build your factory of the future with Binary Stream's award-winning solutions.